Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat camera zoom issue where your camera suddenly looks too zoomed in. So let's fix it in just a few steps. First, close Snapchat completely and remove it from recent apps. Then reopen it and see if the zoom returns to normal. If you're on Android, simply go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, then on Snapchat, go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. This can solve camera glitches instantly. Sometimes switching between the front and back cameras a couple of times can reset the camera zoom. Another step can be to go to the Google Play Store, navigate to your search engine and search for Snapchat, and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Also check your camera permissions, go to your phone settings and ensure Snapchat is allowed to use your camera. If none of that works, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. Don't worry, your memories will be saved when you log back in. And that's how to fix the zoom issue on Snapchat's camera. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.